Okay, here's my old miracle plow. I just want to show everybody how easy this thing is and how fast it is to go on. Okay, putting it on this old Dodge van. I have installed a cable, which I leave in there all year. It's just a regular cable, not a clothesline cable I don't use. Okay, and also I recommend you put a little tape on the bumpers. Okay, just black tape so you don't mar it. This one's been marred up before, and I mean, I experimented on this stupid thing for years, and I had put things in the ditch and broke things trying to build things. Okay, I'm going to show you how easy this thing is actually to. I can get this thing loosened up a little bit. This thing's stuck. Camera's stuck. Oh well. Anyway, I'm going to show you how easy this thing is to bring over here and attach to this van. Okay, so what I do first is I fix the leg on this thing, right? There, make it a little more evenly. It's snow and it's cold outside. Okay, so I have these ropes, which I just tied a loop in. Let's get the longer ones here. Okay, they're about this long. There's a loop in them. I just put them through under the grill or through any place in here where they can just hang. Okay, this just goes through there like this. And out the bottom. Okay, some more. Another one here. You don't need too many. I put 4 or 6 just to be on the safe side. Okay. Make sure you get the long enough ones here. Okay. Just put them through. Okay, you guys time me. See how long this takes. Okay, I'm not gonna rush either. Just put them through at the very bottom. Like it's just gonna hang on these ropes. There's no weight. No weight on anything. Okay. Through there. Not as many as I got. Doesn't matter. Put more just to show you. I mean, even two ropes would work because there's no weight on this thing. The only weight you got is maybe if you're back dragging a little bit, you might have a little wee bit of pressure on them. But very little actually. And when you're traveling, there's no weight on these ropes. Nothing. Okay, ropes are all basically in there. 6 of them, right? Okay. Now all I do is make sure I got no wires in the road. Okay, light. Pretty light. Okay. Just put it up against that bumper. Like that. Okay, so she's right in there about there. I take one of the ropes. Like so. Up her down. Put a box knot in her. You'll be able to see on this side how I do it. Okay, there's a box knot in there, she's down about there. And I just tie more ropes on. Now you guys time me, see how long this takes me. Okay, box knot. I believe they're called box knots, I think. Yeah. There's enough of them, just tie enough knots in there. Shouldn't go nowhere. And here's another one. And you can put it whichever side you want to put it on. Oh, that one's got. It don't matter. Just put it here. See, they don't even really have to be tight because they're going to adjust themselves anyway. So, okay. Have I lied yet? Is my 5 minutes up yet? Okay. I'm going to take my time. Oh, lost my shoe. Okay. Next one. Next one. Okay, that'll be good. Just the box knot on there. Okay, good enough. And that's basically all there is to it. Put this cable in, like that. You're going to take your controller, this thing just, I don't know if you can see everything I'm doing here. This controller now just goes onto your dash. Should be figured out. Put around through the door. Pardon me. I'm sorry. Sorry, I lost my video here. Let's see where we are here. I can't see nothing. Oh, I'm looking upside down here. Okay. Yeah, okay, that goes through the dash. Like that. So that just sits on the dash. Then you just close your door. That'll stay there. And you just hook up these two wires. Okay. One side of the battery and the other. Not exactly rocket science, is it? Okay. And that's it. Now you can just close your hood. You just put your wires up. Here. Close your hood. Close your hood, and then I'll move this back a little bit so you can see how this works. This thing's recording. Oh, crazy video camera. Okay, then I just push the button. And inside. Okay, here's up. 5-minute install for your plow.